What's up, guys? Welcome back. Asta, Liebe split portrait. Or Liebe, however you say it. This is Patreon requested from Emmanuel. So the first thing you gotta do is draw your line down the middle. So I'll just do that now. Okay, so roughly kind of like that, right? But so in this sort of style, right, they add like some spikes and stuff coming off, right? So you can add some like sketchy sort of stuff, texture kind of like coming off here. You can copy it exactly or not, it's kind of up to you. They do just makes it more sort of a dynamic sort of thing, right? You can do it as thick as you want. Just like lots of hatching and stuff on this. So it just gives it some energy, I guess, just on the side. Okay, so we start with Asta's eye, really big. Where's my picture gone? There. Okay, so about middle point, we just go diagonal up his big eyelid line, up and down, right, and then this goes around down into there. Okay, you want to make this dark. Right, so then the bottom eyelid line will just come underneath that, like so. And his iris and his pupil, a circle inside here. You could use a compass, you know, something circular to draw around if you want to make it a perfect circle. But we'll just go for it, right? We'll just go around. Like so. Right, and then his pupil just in the middle. Small enough, actually, just like that. So he's got some lines coming around his eye. So kind of like stress lines, or, you know, just sort of hatching lines, kind of like this. So his nose, just like a little sort of V sort of shape there. And then it like has another shadow line underneath, just going right down here. And his mouth pretty close to his nose. Flat, but it's slightly open, so we'll just bring a line back that way. Okay, so his head is kind of framed in by his headband, right? And there's hair that comes down from it, so we'll put that in. So this headband just comes across this way, right? And then it'll go around there. So then his hair, spike that way, and then another spike just coming down here. And then we can see his eyebrow just in between. Tick, big tick up there. And then it gets sort of thinner as we go down, thicker, sorry, as we go down this way. And then he's got an eyelid line up and down this way. So his face comes down from this piece of hair just beside his eye, right, side of his face, down, and then in for his chin, just going down that way. So it goes up and around. And then we can see a little bit of his ear underneath this piece of hair to there. And then his ear lines and stuff inside. So his neck will go down off this way. We can see like a neck muscle just going here. And like that way. And then we can see a t-shirt sort of line there. And then more hair sticking out. a spike that goes up this way. And then underneath his headband there, and then this sticks out back that way. Right, and then texture lines on the hair. As many of this as you want, you know. You're just following each sort of hair spike, adding the texture on it. Like so. They seem to put some hatching lines just here. Okay, so we have the black bull's sort of symbol on his headband. So this is like optional. You can draw it if you want. I can't see the whole thing in the picture, so I gotta just get a full one. Okay. Yeah, so it's just up here, right? So we'll draw it in roughly. If you're looking to get like the perfect symbol, maybe look it up, and I'll just draw in the rough estimate of what it looks like. Okay, and then it's kind of just all gold, but maybe we'll add like just some extra lines just around. We'll just do it quick. If you want to do the perfect sort of black bold symbol, feel free. I'll just draw in a sort of a simplified version. Just break it up. Okay. So it's kind of complicated to draw that, so I'm not doing like the whole thing because it would take like a whole other video. But something like that, right? So we'll go over and we'll do Liebe. So his eye, big eye. That way, bottom eyelid comes underneath, kind of skinnier than Asta's eye. Right, and it's all black sort of on the inside. So we might have some like stress lines around there. And then his iris. Pupil in the middle. He doesn't really seem to have an eyebrow, just like a little tick sort of going that way. And then his nose just beside Asta's here, you do this kind of V thing again. And his mouth is bigger because he's got all these teeth. And so it goes back like so. Back across to there. And then we have these teeth lines. And it's kind of dark back here. You got all these sharp teeth, right? So then hair again, so coming across, so his fringe like comes across this way, it kind of lines up with Asta's actually there. And then another one there, and this will have like texture on it as well. And the other side of his hair comes down kind of across his eye, covers his ear. Then his face will come down, same as Asta's, right? So it'll go down that way. And then we have a black crack, or sort of black magic energy coming up his face here. And this goes down his neck, right? So it'll go down and it joins his, like, the rest of the energy that's here. The black sort of magic stuff. It's like fire kind of coming up from his body. We can see some of his skin there. And then more sort of energy here. Neck muscle line, maybe. Right, so then more hair. Like so. And another, so more hair spikes. So he has a few. And he's a big ear. So his ear actually sticks. He's got a big elf-like ear. Can't forget that. Comes up underneath these hair spikes. Like another hair spike here. And then you have ear lines inside there. Like so. And that goes that way. Like that. And I think that's everything. That is how to draw Asta and Liebe. Split portrait. Hope it's helpful, Manuel. Thanks for the request. Anyone else with requests like this, head over to Patreon, sign up, I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.